Now, in an apparent about turn, the Jamaica Olympic Association has given an undertaking to make the necessary travel arrangements for Jamaica's athletes to attend the Commonwealth Games, which begin on July 28. This follows the earlier stated position by J3's treasurer and team manager Ludlow Watts that the athletes would only travel to Birmingham starting July 25 if the JOA made the travel arrangements. The JOA subsequently hinted in a press release Saturday night that it would make the travel arrangements. They also took Watts to task over the matter. Quote, despite Mr. Watts' failure to manage the process, the JOA, in the interest of Jamaica's athletes, will work with the travel agency with a view to having them attend the games, the release said. Also, again, quote, the JOA reminds Mr. Watts that it has never resolved from its obligation regarding travel costs, and therefore his misstatement that the JOA is refusing to pay is ill-conceived. What he must consider is that the business of sport requires economic decisions to ensure viability, end quote. As is customary, the J3As only named their teams to the World Championships and the Commonwealth Games after the 4-day national trials, which ended on June 26.